Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Mathrax 123 by James Kopp. So we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. That means in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these circles in the grid surrounded by 4 cells. So they touch 4 cells. The O just means that those 4 cells are odd. So from 1, 3, 5. The E just means these cells are even from 2, 4, 6. Now, in addition to that, we also have ones where there's a number and a letter, or not a letter, a number and a mathematical symbol. And so what this is telling us is that we just need to look at the diagonals. So these 2 cells and these 2 cells, these 2 cells and these 2 cells. And the operation is saying, do that operation to the 2 cells, and the result will be the number. So if we multiply these 2, it'll be 6. And if we multiply these 2, the answer will be 6. Here, if we subtract them, the answer will be 1. And in the case of subtraction, do it the direction that it would cause it to be positive. It's not telling us that like, oh, the top one has to be bigger than the smaller one. It's just take the bigger one minus the smaller one, and it's going to be 1. And then same thing here. These will subtract to 1 as well. These will add to 5. These will add to 5, etc. All right. And that's it. I went over odd and even already. So if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, there is a link in the description. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, I'm going to start by coloring. So I like to use orange for odd, O, right? And then even, I use blue just because it's a nice contrast with orange. Okay, multiplying to 6. We can do 1 times 6, and we can do 2 times 3, but that's it. We can't involve a 4 or a 5 in a 6. So this is going to be a 4-5 pair. And so this is odd, though. So this has to be the 5. This is 4, and that's even. Down here, that makes that odd. Now, we need an odd and an even across these because they're consecutive. Consecutive digits are always 1 odd, 1 even, just kind of almost by definition. I don't know which way these go, though. Let's see. These add to 5, though. So again, that's going to be an odd and an even across here. So there's 1 odd and even here as well. And then 1 odd and even here. I mean, I could subcolor that. Could I? I could use green and purple to say whatever these two end up being, this is going to be the opposite of the purple. I don't know if that's helpful or not. Let's see. So this is a 1-3 pair. This is 1-3 as well. What else are we doing here? 4 is in one of these two. I wonder what clue I'm supposed to be looking at here. Adding to 5. Okay, let's think about adding to 5. So you can do 1 plus 4, or you can do 2 plus 3. It's kind of like we have V's across here. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I don't really have to pencil because that makes this a 5-6 pair, right? You can't put 5 or 6 on a sum to 5. So the 5-6 pair tells us this is also 1-3. And so that uses up our odds. You're right. I could have seen that one of these will be odd, and that matches up with these 2 odds. And so these 2 are even. This is a 2-6. That's all the evens for this row. So that means green is odd and purple is even. So now the rest of this row is odd. That makes this even, and the rest of this row is even. All right. So far, so good. This is also, oh, this is even. So that's 6 and that's 5. That's 2. This is 4. So this is a 2-6 pair. This can't be 4 or 6. This is 2, 6, and 2. All right, this is a 4, and this is a 6. And this is a 2-4 pair, and this is a 1-3 pair. All right, the rest of this row is odd. The rest of this column is odd. That makes this even for the box. All right, so this is a 1-3 pair, and then so these are even. And this is a 2-6 pair. This is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. That's 3 and 2. That's 3, 1, and 3. This is our 5. All right, we get the 1. This sees 1 and 5. That's 3. This is 3 in the corner, emitting snow. That's, why did I say 2? That's 5. I think I just typed the, I think my hand was offset. Anyway, okay, this time I have no excuse. Okay, that's 1. I think it's because I was just talking about 2. That's 4. The rest of this row is blue. These are blue. These are orange. Okay, we're fully colored. All right, 6 has to go with 5 in order to subtract 1. 4 goes with 3. That's 1. Finally noticed that clue. That's 3. This is a 2-6 pair. Oh, these add to 5. So that's the 2 and that's the 4. That's 6 and 2. That's 4. That's 6. That's 1. That's 5. I was focused on Sudoku, and so I didn't notice that these Mathrax clues we're finishing those cells. Anyway, neat puzzle, James. That flowed really nicely. I enjoyed being able to color it as well. I think the coloring helped quite a bit. Let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.